Now, in Davos this week, there will be full of talk of disruption, the fourth industrial revolution, shared solutions in a fractured world. But nowhere is the fractured world more humanly embodied than in the refugee. It's a person who's uprooted from all that they hold dear, forced to flee, often resented and reviled in the country where they settle, labelled as an economic burden or a terrorist threat.
I started the Elton John AIDS Foundation because I wanted to reclaim my sense of who I was. I wanted to reconnect. I wanted to be a decent person.
In creativity or security, please consider the incredible opportunity